fabulous winter outfits on a thrift store budget. Yes, it is possible, and I'm about to prove it with 10 winter outfits that you can recreate today. These outfits are chic, cozy, and affordable. Hello Style Vibers, and welcome to another thrift styling video. And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the TSV. I'm Junie, and I'm an avid thrifter, and on this channel I present styling ideas primarily featuring thrifted pieces. This is where we take our thrifted finds and create our own unique style vibe. Now, if thrifting, styling, and vibing is your thing, then we'd love for you to join us on this thrifted style vibe journey. Today, I have 3 thrift tips for you. Tip number 1. Don't hold back on shopping off-season, like a winter coat in summer or maybe a summer blouse in the winter. Yes, please. Tip number 2. Shop quality fabrics like wool, cashmere, cotton, and silk. And tip number 3, don't forget to shop the accessory section. This is where you can find those final pieces to add that extra touch to your outfits, like a scarf, a belt, a purse, or a necklace. Winter styling is all about textures and layers, and today I have curated 10 different looks to give you some ideas for different occasions, from date night to casual chic, evening glam, cozy weekend, elevated office, and more. Now, let's get into creating today's style vibe. Thanks for spending some time with me today, Style Vibers. Remember, style is what you make it, and Thrifted makes it even better. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now, go to your closet, be inspired, and have some fun. And as always, thanks for watching.